Here's how you clean your cooler. If it's new or if you used it and you got some, you know, either smell or stains or anything in it. This is the RTIC medium-sized soft cooler. There's the detergent that I put in. You need a clean sponge. I put a little bit of water in it and put a little bit of detergent. And that's all you need. You just go around and smoothly, you know, if you have anything to scrub, you can use the other side of the sponge, but I usually use that side. It's a new cooler, so it's our next new cooler. So you just basically go around, get off that China smell in it. So literally, it's a made in China cooler, so you don't know what comes in it. You just have to clean it up really well and then lubricate the end. The ducking part right there, that's gonna be lubricated with the first use, and then that's about it. I got some water in there. Like, see, like, don't be conservative, but you know, 3-4 inches of water in there, and just like get the bottom really cleaned up, all the sidewalls right inside it, and it smells good already. All you have to do is just dump it out and start rinsing with water in the sink. Like literally, it's gonna go in the sink and just like washed in there. You can't hurt inside out. It says inside out, but outside will be already, I'm not wiping outside or anything like this. So it'll be kind of hard to get it dry and stored and all that. So I'm just gonna wash inside, dry it up really nice, and, you know, get going with it. That's about it. You don't need nothing else.